This problem says we need to classify the lines as parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So we need to recall that parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So here for number 1, y equals 3x. There our slope is equal to 3. So now we need to take the equation negative 6 plus 2y equals 3x, and we need to write it in slope-intercept form to find the slope. So here, the first thing we're going to do is add 6 to both sides. Remember, slope-intercept forms means we need to solve for y. So we have 2y equals 3x plus 6. Now to get y by itself, we need to divide all three terms by 2. So when we do that, we get that y is equal to 3 over 2x. Remember, that's the slope, so we're just going to leave that as a fraction, plus 3. So in this equation, our slope is 3/2. So 3/2 and 3, those are not the same, so these two lines are not parallel. And those are also not opposite reciprocals. So the correct answer here is neither. These two lines are not parallel or perpendicular. For number 2, y equals -5, x equals -5, we have a horizontal line and a vertical line. Remember, y equals is a horizontal line, x equals is a vertical line. The easiest way to do this problem is to just put this on Desmos and graph it. And when you do that, you can see y equals -5, that's our red line, and x equals -5, that's our blue line. They do in fact intersect at a 90 degree, a right angle, so these two lines here are perpendicular.